Hello everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making sweet potato wedges. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Sweet potato, Italian seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, extra virgin olive oil, paprika, crushed red pepper, and garlic powder. Today I'm gonna do my potato in the skin. So I'm gonna use it in the skin. I'm not gonna peel it. So it requires good washing. So I'm going to use my brush to get a little scrubbing, and then so I'm gonna remove this off. All the imperfections on my potato will be gone forever. Now that I finished with my finish with my cleaning up. Here, need another. Wash it. Wash it properly. Turn it around. Turn it around. Make sure all the extra dirt and once it's stuff. And that's the conclusion of my washing and cleaning my potato. As you can see that I did not peel the potato because I'm gonna make my wedges with the skin and the potato. So now I'm gonna create my wedges by cutting the potato in half. So, you know, cut it in half, and then in quarter, and this, and depends on how big you want your wedges to be. So this one I'll cut it again. So now you turn it this side because you want it kind of to be even, that they can get to cook evenly. So this one, have to be careful. Your knife. Not that even, but I'm trying. Okay, so this is how my wedges look. Now I'm gonna cut this in half. It's not easy to cut, and this came out smaller, so I'm gonna cut this in two. The good part about this is that sweet potato is on the healthy side, and I'm not going to fry it. I'm going to bake it, so that makes it more I would say healthier. My stuff, so I'm gonna put all of them over here. All of my seasoning that I'm gonna be using right now, right here. And first thing I'm gonna put in there is my olive oil. So I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. Let all of them get a little of the oil. So rub it up. Okay. Now, I'm just going to use a dash of everything right now because I'm going to have my recipe in my video, so you guys can follow the recipe for my potato wedges. Now I'm going to put some Italian seasoning. And then some all-purpose seasoning. Some garlic seasoning, of course. Garlic powder. I won't put too much. And then some paprika. That will help build the color. So, because that's the purpose of this powder. And I'm gonna put a little crushed red pepper in it because I need a little bit of spice in it. So not a lot, maybe half of a teaspoon, less than that. Then everything again. Make sure all of them has their seasoning. So if you have to do it individually, rub it in individually, then that's what you have to do. Because you want each pieces to get some of the goodness. No goodness, no taste. Salt is optional. If you want to add salt in it, you can. What I might do right now is add some seasoned salt, but because nothing that I put in here is salty, so you're gonna need a little bit of seasoned salt. So I think this adding the seasoned salt, the freshness not gonna work with these. Okay. So again, I'm going to so now I'm going to get it ready to for the oven. First, I lay a piece of parchment paper in my baking sheet, and the reason for that is to prevent my wedges from sticking. So now I'm going to place them in the baking sheet, I would say belly up. And belly up is place it on the skin like this. Belly up. These are some big wedges, but it by size. You don't want them to stick together because you don't want to create a steaming thing going on. So, and belly up. If you even lie down, but some can stay up, so maybe I have to use two baking sheets. Done. So I'm gonna need another sheet. I place them in my oven for about 40 minutes and with a 400-degree Fahrenheit. So stay tuned for the end result. This is the final product of my sweet potato wedges. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!